Welcome everybody to a video. So today, as you can see, I have a helicopter. What are we doing with a helicopter? We are doing some flying. So yeah, put it down here. Alright. Get into position. It's very cold. It is a bit of winter. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I got home from school. So I thought, why not? Yeah. Don't you dare with me. Don't you dare. Okay then. Just trying to focus the camera. Got the controller. Let's do this. First of all, we turn the helicopter on. That is on. God, shut. Yes. Aha. Let's go. Here it is. Just in case. I flew up without warning. Oh, God. Oh, shit. This thing is glowing in the dark, so not only does it have lights for you to be able to see it in the dark, but it glows in the dark. The green stuff glows in the dark, so yeah, that's pretty cool. Gosh, I really should have worn a jacket. I'm just wearing a t-shirt. So I thought it was a good idea not to wear a jacket. Oh yeah, I'll turn it off. Oh my gosh. It flies up, but then it loses some connectivity with the controller. So yeah. Yeah, the cats seem to like it a lot. So if you see what that growing right below your tights, Grimmy. Hello, Grimmy. Say hello. No, he seems to be a bit scared of the camera. Oh my gosh. It is a lovely winter's day. Not a cloud in the sky. Seriously, I'm not joking. There is not a cloud in the sky. Not a cloud in the freaking sky. No. Don't know, but I don't think that went well. Hello, Keith's come to join us today as well. Okay. Gonna do the next one. A different landing area. Oh my gosh, just went face first. Just like, gosh, I must have been hurt. I mean, face first landing. Oh gosh. Oh, it's getting colder. The wind is literally. Oh my gosh, the car is literally frozen over. I'm literally freezing myself to death out here. It is so cold. And I'm like, I don't even feel the cold, right? No, I'm not going to set up the camera anywhere. Probably won't work, so yeah. Shit. Oh yeah. Now look. Well, that did not go as expected. I was hoping. That flew right over my head. What the heck? No. Oh my gosh. It landed right here. What the hell? That was so cool. Oh my gosh, it just flew up into the air and I was like, what the hell, literally? Alright, so it's like that. Say, Say this bin is my head, right? See this black bin? You can't see it very well. Okay, this tree is my head. The helicopter literally went right behind me. So say, look, it's like that. It's like right over my head. What the fuck? Yeah. Let's take it back. So it was right on the top. As long as I duck before it when it flies, because you know, I'm probably going to end up bald or without a head. And to be honest, I would like to keep my head on, so yeah. Let's face it this way this time. I mean, kind of risking it going into the muck down there or the grass, but still, should be okay. So yeah, I know this does have another control stick, but holding the camera in one hand isn't going to work. Come on. What? Gosh. It like gravity, it's like must be some sort of magnetic force or something. Because it's like, because even if I face it that way, the wind, yes. Yeah, the wind, look, the wind's going that way, so that's why. So I need to be careful though, there's a power line right there. If I hit that, shit. So yeah. Another kitty cat has joined us. Winner Chicken Dinner has joined us, so now I've got Keith, Granny, and Winner Chicken Dinner. I might wait till the wind dies down a bit. It has died down, but I don't know if it will still push the helicopter. Let's take my chance now. Didn't even fly up. Gosh, but it landed well. Landed on the... What are these called on the bottom, by the way? What are these called on the bottom? These. What are these called? Please tell me in the comments, because I have no fucking idea. Are you ready for another flight? Yes. Please don't hit the power line. Oh, come on! Ah! Okay then. That should have landed well. Because, no, we're not going to let the cats beat me to it. Okay. Well, it landed okay, but instead it landed in the... Basically, it landed quite well, because... I mean, if it wasn't on a big patch of grass, it would have actually landed perfectly. Because of our nose. Winner Chicken Dinner in there, look. Winner Chicken Dinner. Hello, stay there. She's very shy, by the way. Yeah, you just got a little... She's very shy. Yeah. Okay then. She's very shy. But anyway, let's do this last one. Then we will end the video. No! No! He just started. The rotor just started. Okay. This will be the last flight. Let's make this a good one. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh gosh. So, well, the helicopter is very good. So, well, I guess that is the end of the video. So.